So here's a super quick video on guitars, which is currently on offer at AppSumo, a lifetime offer for the next 3 hours. Sorry about the bad sound, by the way. I'm not at home with my good microphone. So I just found this yesterday, and I'm actually really impressed with it, and thought I'd share. Now, Troy's just posted a comment on the thread I started where he asked, does it get you closer to your goals? And that's a great question. This definitely has the potential to be a shiny object that distracts us from what we really need to be doing. But I also think it's got a lot of potential to add value to our sites and create really interesting interactive processes. So I'm quite keen to explore that, and for a one-off lifetime price, it's pretty awesome compared to their monthly prices. So what's in it? The AppSumo has 2 offers at the moment, the standard plan and the premium plan. Both give you unlimited bots and unlimited responses. You can export the data. You can on both plans connect to Zapier, which is amazing if you use Zapier, and just think about all of the possibilities of where you can collect data during interactive chats and send them off to things like Google Spreadsheets, or send yourself a text when someone starts chatting, or change the color of your light bulbs, kind of thing. You know, there's a huge number of possibilities. The premium plan offers on-domain deployment, so you can actually have the chat hosted on your domain versus on the HelloTars domain, and full API integration, so you can integrate with anything. Let's have a real quick look at what the interface looks like. So you go into the administration, you can just start building your process, and it's a really fun drag and drop process where you create decision points, and then you can just connect them. So, you know, if we want to take option 3 and connect it through to email and go down a different thread, and if we have a look at the first one, you set the timing for the text that's coming through. So wait a second, we'll say hello there. Wait a second, show an image. Wait 2 seconds, another 2 seconds, etc. Then at the bottom, we can choose the type of input for this, what they call Gambit, which is the question section. So this one is going to be a selection of 3 buttons, and we can add more. We could also have like text input, so we ask for people's full name, email, telephone, etc. There's star ratings, there's date scrollers, there's time scrollers. We can have them upload images, we can identify whereabouts they are, we can redirect to other pages. So there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. Let's go back to the buttons. And so once we've finished that, we can then connect the different buttons to another process. So, for example, someone said they want to contact me, so let's ask them for their email address, tell them we'll get back to them in 24 hours, and then we can redirect to a thank you page. And so I created 3 sort of threads here, one for contact, one for possible website inquiry, what's their budget. And this, I think, could be interesting to lead into project application form, or offering different types of services and just test the conversion rates and see what the response is. And once you've done it, built it, you can just deploy it and click on a live link to view it. And it's as simple as that. So contact me, it'll ask for an email, address. Add a bit of fun to it, and then we can take people wherever we want. Just like that. And then in the administration, we can go and have a look at the data. And we can see the responses, the IP address they're coming from, what device type they're on. We can export that, so if we created a little survey or whatever. And remember, we can connect to anything using Zapier or directly with the API. And I think that opens up a whole bunch of possibilities for lead generation and helping guide visitors to different places. So that's it. I think it's interesting, and I'm going to really give it a good go over the next few months and try it in various applications.